I understand we now have a solution to the issue that really should have been thought about and raised before now. But it is what it is. So let's get Mr. Copeland back on the stand and get the jury out. Go ahead and get the jury out. Mr. Copeland, I think we've got a solution so that you'll be able to hear the video while it's playing. You can just put those headphones on.
Oh, it's not right there.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your patience. I cannot even imagine how many times y'all have already been told that over the course of this trial. As with so much with modern life, technology makes things easier for us sometimes, but it also gives us some headaches sometimes. But I think we're ready to go now. So, Ms. Hilton, you can go ahead.
Talk to his family, okay? I'm gonna let his family put it out. But please, Kim, one thing at a time. Okay, Kim? One thing at a time. All right? I know, man, it's frustrating. He's not gonna stop. Okay? The brother is gonna, I don't know what I did to this man, bro. He won't. I've been face to face with him, bro. I shook his hand like he's over it, bro. He's not no more, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because that's why you gonna sit down and you gonna tell me what's going on between you and him, and then we go from there. Okay? What's gonna happen after the date? What you mean? When I get here, okay. So, I'm gonna take care of that for you. Like I said, get the family, his family, to tell them to leave you alone. If they ain't got no proof showing that you did anything, they need to leave you the fuck alone. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. All right. Today's date is January 10th, 2015. Time is approximately 0300 hours at 3 o'clock a.m. I'm here with Mr. Kenneth Copeland. Yes. And Mr. Copeland, can you give me your date of birth, sir? July 25th, 1991. July 25th, 1991? Yes. Okay. You got a middle name, Mr. Copeland? Xavier. Xavier. This is a reference to the homicide investigation of victim name of Donovan Thomas. It happened at 330 McDaniel Street, Southwest, City of Atlanta, Fulton County, State of Georgia, on January 9th, 2015, with another police case number 15010210210. When you're ready, Mr. Copeland, tell me exactly what you know dealing with this situation. Like now, we know everything. Tell me everything. What makes you want to pull you into this situation to happen? Okay. Me and Kale. You know what I'm saying? Me and him, we had a problem in the club. Is that him? No, this nothing. Okay. All right. Kale, they say this is a little brother, but I thought they just changed it, but they say they're real brothers. Kale. K-E-L. K-E-L. Kale. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Little brother of that. Yes. Who you identified from a picture, which is Donovan Thomas. Yes, sir. Okay, go ahead. Me and him got into it in the club push. What day was that? It's just like every like a lot. Okay. So, but 2 months, 3 months, a year, how long? Yeah, about I'm saying no longer than 4 months. 4 months. So every time y'all be at Club Crucial, y'all see each other, y'all get into it. We don't even fight, we don't do none of that. The only time I played was the last time. Okay, but what was that? Monday, it just passed. Monday. Okay, go ahead. So, all the time we get into that club, it don't mean that. They shoot birds at us, we shoot back at them. You know what I'm saying? All of a sudden, we go outside. Don't want no that, don't want nobody fight, don't nobody do that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody just go outside. We leave. This every time we got to in the club. But last Monday, we were in the club. But this case Henry, it was Monday. I think it was Sunday before the Monday. But if it wasn't this Sunday, it was the Sunday before that week. Me and Kel, I seen Kel outside. So I'm like, hey Kel, how did you? So, as me and Kel standing right there, we talking. We talking about everything we gotta get to each other. So, as we talk, we like, it's over with. They challenging the cover. So we like, it's over with, we ain't beefing no more. So, Kel like, right, but he wanna talk to Thug and see what Thug has to do with it. So like, man, Thug ain't standing there jump up, you know what I'm saying? He ain't into this. So he like, how you wanna talk? So him and Thug talk. Whatever said there, I don't know. Next thing you know, Monday come, I'm in Kush. As I go to Kush, I pull out my money. I'm gonna stay, I'm flashing my money to all the girls standing around. I'm flashing money. So I get on the stage, I'm flashing money. Kel, and this whole walk up on me. So I look at her, he's like, what's up, bro? I'm like, what's going on, y'all? And he ain't saying that. So he just looking at me. So I'm still flashing money. I'm laughing, I'm playing with everybody. So he's like, hey, what's up? I'm like, what's up, bro? He's like, Thug still want me to pay for the window. Like, I guess so, bro. But he in the club. Like, go talk to him. You know what I'm saying? So Kel, like, he took his necklace. He put his necklace out. So I look at him. I put money in my pocket. So I put money in my pocket. I walk out. You know what I mean? I walk over here. I look at him. So he turned around. He tells somebody from the ear. So I walk towards the kitchen. When I walk towards the kitchen, all of them walks behind me. I was by myself. So when I get to the kitchen, I see everybody walk behind me. I try to turn around and go back to the stage. Kel punched me in the back of the head. So he punched me in the back of the head. They pushed me to the ground. He tried to go in my pocket and get my money. But as I hold on to my money, the other guy was punching me all in the face. But I didn't care. I was holding on to the money. So as they punch me, I get out of it. I run. So they say everybody, some more guys, they knew me. They can't help. So they fight. We goes out the club. We outside the club. Lil G like, I'm like, But they're like, what's up, man? But how did they jump on me like that, bro? Y'all try to take me, man. So DJ? Yeah. The rap DJ? The rap. Mm-hmm. So like, yeah. So legit, I ain't got nothing to do with it. You know what I'm saying? So, one of my buddies had fought with a J. So after they fought with a J, we leave. We leave the club. Then they have what day is? Today, Saturday, yesterday, Friday. They have a meeting. The meeting, like it was a blood meeting, and the meeting was about me and Thug. You and Thug. Me and Young Thug. But the whole time, I'm telling her like, what Thug got to do with this, bro? Young Thug was just talking. Young Thug, the rapper. I'm like, what he got to do with this? You know what I'm saying? So I'm talking to him. Like, he with you. I'm like, bro, it ain't no beef, bro. Like, I ain't studying y'all these down there. You feel me? Don't pay me no shit down for y'all. No, I listen, man. But there was a guy that was just me. Said, so with the guy down the road, he's supposed to kill me and Young Thug. So I asked, I got 10 minutes on my phone. I text my phone like, I ain't, bro. Y'all gonna kill me and Thug? And I said, let's say, and he like, bro, what you talking about? Like, ain't that like they said? So another guy talking like, ain't that like they said? I'm like, okay, they just lying. He like, yeah. So next thing you know, okay, after that, he said, so my other buddy like, man, they really on something like, they neglected, there ain't no more beef, they gonna try to get some money. I'm like, bro, look, bro, I talked to Kill, bro. I talked to him one time, I talked to him again. I ain't standing with you having it, so they ain't taking money, they don't mean that. So he like, alright, I'm gonna try to get it over him. And he like, I don't want to talk. I'm like, well, it ain't about me, so I'm still telling like, what's up? Why you got against me? What have I done to him? I ain't never talked to that girlfriend. I never did anything to him. Why you get me? Next thing you know, it's a gambling house. I used to be it. And we can gamble now. You know, that Lakewood. They go to stand on top of the roof and shoot inside. So they stand on the roof shooting inside the building. And then they leave. So they tell everybody the car tell her what happened. I'm like, what? You know what I'm saying? So because then when we know, I go gamble right there. So next thing you know, nobody seen that, nobody seen that. So the day I did in the house sleeping last night, like 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. I was with Doe, we was at DJ Drum Studio. He was doing the song. So we left the studio. I went to my girl. Yesterday Saturday, I was a DJ. The day Saturday, like the Sunday when I was Saturday. The day Sunday, right? Yeah, the day Sunday. Friday, like late, like okay, Saturday morning. I went to my girl's house. It was like 5, 6 o'clock. So I was tired, so I went there. Me and her did that, laying down. So I stayed there. I was asleep. Honestly, God, I was asleep the whole time. So she could go meet her dad and he gave her a car, she go to the mom or something. So I stayed there the whole time. I didn't go nowhere. I sleep. I wake up. I look, she still got that. I called, that's what she is. She somewhere with her dad and well. I'm like, dang, you must have got over here. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, you forgot over here? And she like, nah, you sleep, this and that and that. She like, where you at? I'm there right there. So my brother called me. So he like, you want to come? I'm like, yeah, bro. He like, well, yeah, I told him I was at Deshaun house. So he like, okay, I'll be around. So I called Deshaun back like, what you do? So she like, how you gonna lock the door? So I'm like, I just jump over the balcony and you just lock the balcony when you come to the house. So she like, okay, but it was somebody that stayed in the room right there where she stayed. When I jumped the balcony, he was walking down the steps, so he seen me jump the balcony. You know what I'm saying? So I got in front of my brother. I went to his house and changed clothes. You know what I'm saying? So I went to change clothes.
Take over to your brother's house?
Yes. I changed clothes at his house.
But what time was that?
It's like the beginning of 7 o'clock. The clothes I had on to now, I'm on the floor. I got the car. I had rolled to Canterville. The girl gave me this. The girl Moochie. She gave me this and some peroxide. I put it on my mouth. And then I went to the green store. I stopped outside like 5 or 10 minutes. I was on the Rick. I got in town to Rick. I had called the D. Like, where you get? So he's like, you don't clean.
I'm to pull up. So I ride on Cleveland. When I get right about McDonald's on Cleveland, the people like, well, they say, another nigga got killed, bro. I'm for real, bro. But I'm really just thinking you just talking. I'm for real, bro. Like, yeah, so I'm like, dang. So I like, what that? He like, well, he just kind of said it. So I'm like, damn, bro, he don't say I did this first time. I'm like, damn, he don't say I did, bro. He like, shit. Before I know you ain't do it. So I'm like, shit, who he like? He don't know. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, all right. So as I leave down, most of the comments like, well, you know, they folks like me and him shot Moto. They like, they said me and him did. You guys know from Moto? Yeah, Moonk. Tnook, I think. So he was like, they said phone number for him.
So were you and him riding around earlier today?
Now, I didn't come out to like, I'm gonna say, I came out here at 7. I'm putting that way. I came out here at 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Now, when he FaceTimed me, he told me, so I'm like, damn, man, they said me and him did.
Yeah.
So, first time I kind of felt like this, bro. They said I did it, bro. I need to go out to the headquarters or something. Like, we don't them call you. Now, I told everybody I didn't have anything to do with it, so I called. I was trying to get best advice I can. And they know they was like, I called the girl mama. I was talking to her before they shot her house. And I was talking on the phone. I'm gonna give you number right now. 404. 662 8935.
That's who dropped you off?
There's Moto.
Yeah, that's the one who dropped you off to come talk to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of car he drive?
Blue. It's blue or gray. It's a Malibu, the new Chevy.
Okay. Is it blue or gray? Which color is it?
It look like it's like a light gray. I mean, like a light. It's a color like probably like gray blue.
Like gray.
It's a Malibu. It's an Impala, the new kind.
Is it Impala or Malibu?
It's a Chevy. It might be an Impala. It's the newest 2015. It's a rental car.
Okay. Okay.
So he they kind of said, man, I'm dead. So I'm telling him like, I'm going out here. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling him like, he gonna wait on y'all to call now. I'm like, man, you tripping, bro. You can call now. You know what I'm saying? He's like, man. So what I did was, I kept asking. But I still got a message in my phone. I can show you. I was asking everybody, like, should I go down there, bro? Because I didn't do it. They come scan me. They do everything. I didn't do it. They check my phone record. My Fulton County, they show you where I was. They show you every car that I talked first. They show you where I was now. I didn't do it. I never had a problem with nothing. Me and nothing ain't never had two words to each other. Me and nothing was always okay. You know what I'm saying? The only person I had a problem with was Kev. I don't really be with him. When we see each other, they jump me up. When they be with him, they don't jump me up. Boy, every time, but me and him, we just look at each other. But the last time, we just let each other up. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, bro, what's up, bro? Like, let it go. He like, it ain't no beat. Do what he tell me. But y'all jump on me and take money, try to take money from me, but I ain't let the money go. But the club on there, he seen it on the video. He see I ain't do nothing. I ain't starting. He see me walk my club flashing money. He seen that. I talked to him. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on with Kev, man. Like, this night, I even told the girl, I'm like, you need to call the police and have them meet you. Go to your house, because when me and him was talking to you, like, he know where you stay. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, it's trick, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because me and him been on each other. You know what I'm saying? But he don't join this game. And now he just think he big bad wolf. But the whole time I'm telling him like, bro, it ain't that serious, bro.
Which game is Cal join?
9 Deuce, Inglewood, ABG.
That's Bloody J's group, ain't it? Did you know Gangster? You know Gangster? You know.
Oh, you said, is he a gangster?
No, I said, do you know know his partner, gangster.
Oh, no.
Only JK.
They just blood this Clay County.
Short, stocky, mustache,
Yeah.
beard. Yeah.
But the whole time I've been telling, like, even when they did that, I wanted to call his phone, but I called his phone, but he got his phone call. Like, he turned it off. Hey, I'm trying to tell him, but I didn't do it, bro. Yeah, but he got it off.
That's okay.
I'm like, bro, but he ain't answer. I think calling the other person I know, but I was like, man, ain't no use, but they got to shout for how they know what they know my sister house. She ain't answer the phone now, trying to tell her to get out. She ain't answer. They know my sister stay like, who will make her? When those let me hang and put me out in songs and videos. It just seemed like they got jealous, man. Honestly, bro, I never did nothing took care of, bro. I ain't lying, none of that. Fofo, 518-9892.
So, you reached out to your brother earlier Saturday about you need to get out the house or get his car or whatever. Okay. And y'all pretty much to catch up until around 7. That's when you and your brother to catch up to around 7, right? Your brother gave you keys to the car.
Yeah. Okay, I was in the house.
Okay.
I called Deshaun.
Your girlfriend's house? Or
Yeah, I was at Deshaun's house. Man, like, we stayed together until she put me out.
on Marbury Avenue.
Yeah.
Car, yeah.
So, when I woke up, I see she went back and it was dog. I called her like, I tell you what time I called. I called her. She like, oh, this and that. I'm like, man, you must have got on still here.
Mm-hmm. And she left because her dad was get her a car, right?
Yeah, she left early. I'll tell you exactly what time I called her, right?
Who's Walter Maddox?
I called her at 6:20.
Called her at 6:20.
Yep. That's the first time I called her. It was 6:20. And then after I called her, I called my brother, and it was at 6:28. No, my brother called me at 6:28.
What?
Who's Walter Lee Maddox?
Who?
Who's Walter Maddox?
No nickname?
Did y'all ever rent or own an Infinity?
Infinity.
Y'all ever rent one of those cars before? Have you ever been stopped in an Infinity before?
Have I?
Yeah. Had an accident in an Infinity?
No.
A maximum?
Have I ever had to cover it again?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Okay.
Let me think. This year?
Anytime.
I had coverage in that Pontiac. That was a couple years ago. I ain't had no coverage. I ain't had no red sleep. I ain't have none of it.
What kind of car your brother drive?
Who was that in there? A white Dodge Charge. This truck car he gave me.
Your brother got 2 cars?
Nah, his girl got a car in the car. He got the Dodge Charge. Then she got the little ugly little Melody. Like a 19 something.
2014 Dodge Charger?
Yeah.
White?
Yeah.
Who drives a Nissan?
A Nissan?
Mm-hmm.
What color?
What color is it? Gray.
I like that one. Nissan.
Okay. Y'all ever had a Infinity Gray? A gray Infinity Q45 before?
A truck?
No.
A cup?
Yeah.
Like I know of.
I actually brother, it may be his car. Or a red car he had rented or something like that. That's cool. That's cool.
I was saying, I'm really saying, I don't know about it.
So, you never had a problem with that?
Never in life.
Okay.
Never cool.
Okay. We just had a problem with the cable.
Yes.
Just
city car.
Grace blue.
This the Camaro right there. This it was out that night. Yeah.
Who car is that?
I think it might be his car.
Yeah, who's that? And who's that? Who's that?
His name is David. He be with nothing yet.
Okay. So, little Dave know where the girl is.
Like she stays in the neighborhood. They from somewhere. She stays in the neighborhood. It look like he took care of his page. I know somebody else who got one. What's his name? What's his name, man? I can't. That was 12. ABG 12. Seen this video right here, but it's video on Blood J page, but they keep stopping. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna go to Adrian Bean. See. They're painted right there. They're private. Okay. Can you describe? That's it right there. It ain't no room.
Okay. Why you doing that describe kills?
We're going to that page.
You're the person with the gun, the person who would do anything to protect the ones you love. But did you know that you could go to jail simply for doing the right thing to keep your family safe? Don't end up behind bars just because you didn't know what would happen.
He got a picture I just seen.
Go back.
It went to here. But he don't have no tattoos on his face, man. He about this time. He about my color. Kind of stop. And he always wear a BG hoodie. Like, and if it's like people around here, it's kind of like this. This how it be. Where you gonna have a BG hood on. Like the whole lot of nigga with.
Okay, his name is Cal. Is it Calvin?
Kill. Like, I don't know his real name, but he kind of says Kill. So, you know, it's K-K-L.
Okay.
see if we'll pause real quick. Nah, it ain't gonna cut on, it gonna say a little charge, man. Yeah, let's put on charge, it take about 5 minutes, come back on. So we got charge.
Let's see, we got one of the officers back. All right. So this all stems from you thinking, they think you did it because you got to fight with Cal Monday.
Honestly, I get blamed for everything that happened. Like, my name come up in everything. Everything, like, it was from that first time they ain't ever come up in murder, so I didn't know what to do.
You know, so you and Monto, y'all wasn't together until later on today.
No, we didn't get together. So I called him to him. Most person told me, and then he was like, so I had like a conflict, like, hey, bro, what should I do, bro? Like, cause I asked my brother, like, wait on the police. I really wanted to come out on my own and just talk, like, then when they started shooting at the house, I really didn't know what to do, so I tried to get some advice. I called Monto, come, like, I'm telling Monto, like, what should we do? So yeah, like, I told you, he was like, bring me down here, you know what I'm saying? He came, brought me right here. You gonna come in, like, I wait around, call me. Okay. Well, this on you then.
Okay. Give me a minute, right back, man.
But, okay, I see you on this one, but,
Okay, go ahead. I can do it. What I'm gonna do, bro? I mean,
because I know
I'm gonna talk to Nuts mother. And Kel is Peanut's brother, right? I'm gonna let her know what the deal is. Okay? All right? So we'll take it from there. Okay? They continue to do, and you see who it is, okay? Call. If you see them run around the neighborhood and you know what they're about to do, call. Because there's gonna be an alert out for this. Okay?
I'm telling you, like, right now, the only reason I'm scared because I didn't do it, and I don't want,
I
you
feel
know what I'm saying, that can have to be on my time.
all you do is extend to his brother to extend to them. And if I'm able to talk to Kel, I'll let him know the same thing. If his mother go ahead, maybe can get me in contact with Kel. I'll talk to him and see if that is him and his crew doing that.
It is. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. It's him.
Let me ask you this, to be honest. Do you belong in the game?
I was. They really was. Like, they said, man, I'm talking about, it's supposed to be about me not being down with it no more. But he really don't know, he don't really know what to do, because he said people like, hey, me.
Okay, so you got ABG.
Yes. But it was in 2000, I had went to jail in 2000. I think it's 2015 now. I went to jail in 2013. 12. I went to jail in 2012. And I did a year. But when I went to jail in 2012, I didn't get down with the game. I told them I went in.
So when you got out in 2013, you told them no.
I never told them. I just started going around and I went claiming.
Okay.
You know, so now they see me with thug. And then I'm claiming YSL. I'm like, you know what I'm saying? It's real. So I'm going to get some money. And that's what we told a couple people. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what it's about. But that's what you're supposed to say. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I switched up on them. So
I got you. Yeah, so they got the ass with you.
but I know that they saying like, I didn't know it was over. I did something. I know it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to go to jail. I ain't trying to jail. I ain't trying to go to nobody. I'm like, none of this. Me and nothing ain't never had a problem. You know what I'm saying? Somebody, I was showed you. A person come on my Instagram page and say, you're going to die tonight. They come on my picture and say,
On your Instagram?
yes, you're going to die.
What's your Instagram page?
WOODY372. WOODY372. Say, I'm going to die tonight. But she deleted the country by a screenshot. So when she deleted, I still took pictures. Yeah, it was a girl. Her name was Maya. Prince, and somebody. Come on now, she come and say you're gonna die. And then she deleted. But I still got a screenshot on my phone, it went dead. I supposed to show it to you when it first.
Give me 1 second, right back, okay? Right back, right? Let's figure out what we can on this, okay?
You're right. We're going to pause at 3:32:11 and resume at 3:35:48. Resume at 3:35:51.
You got no for Cal, do you? You got no for Cal?
No.
I asked. Yeah. Who's that? No.
No, one of them ain't killed.
So you know what you got?
Look like I seen before.
Which one?
Look like I seen both of these with killed. The other guy looked at me though. I just ain't sure. It's him.
Alright. So Moto dropped you off and went about his business. And he drives English gray or grayish blue Chevy Impala or Malibu.
Yeah, this is a rental car.
Okay, it's a rental. You don't know Moto's real name. Okay.
I had made a move to him like around. I got a move to him like his FaceTime. He told me where at.
What time was that? What's his FaceTime?
I got church.
Okay. No, we have no outlet charger for the computer.
But when Mutu said it, I was trying to, cause my girl dad talked, and he asked me what happened. He was like, keep calling your phone saying I did. And I explained to him like, yeah, I didn't do it and then like that. And he was like, he gonna like let me talk to somebody. I guess it's somebody over them, somebody's brother or something, you got something to do with them. And he hit me right there, let me talk to them, let them know that I didn't do it and then like that. And then them me and her dad was talking about it. And I'm like, okay, I'm ready to go down there. But I told him too, like, you think I should go down there and talk? And he's like, nah, because they might find out where it happened. You know what I'm saying? And then you ain't got nothing to do with it. They just, like, okay, just like when they come talk, you just go down there and talk to them, then y'all go do that there. But I was nervous. I was scared. Like, just know, I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to go to the house because I didn't know that. Dang, bro, like, everybody gonna sit here and say, oh, I did that. I know, I go through this every time. Like, the guy got robbed. He blamed on me. Then next thing you know, he found out who did it. Instead of him just going ahead and admit that he was wrong, he still let people think it. You know what I'm saying? So, I can't do that about it. And now somebody's dead, and they think it's me. But I can't. I ain't afraid of. You know what I'm saying? Nothing. But I just don't want to go to jail or die about somebody to do. And I just know he have a point. Carry a point to who I don't know. But it just now like he cuss. He just won't stop, bro. Like it ain't nothing I can do. Like. I can do this, I can do that. Like, they know I stay because we were cool. You know what I'm saying? I took my sister's house, my brother's house. We were spending night together and everything. Not care, but the ones that be around me. And, yeah, our little son, like, that's what it means. Like, I don't know what it was, man. I honestly, I can't, man. Like, I'm so confused right now. So, me and nothing each other, we deaf each other. He like, what's going on with you? And they just chill, man, trying to shit money. He like, man, they about to be a thing going on. You know what I'm saying? But it's just, man, I didn't know right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can talk to them, but somebody still gonna think I did it. Like, no matter what I do, where I go, you know what I'm saying? I got sisters and brothers out there too. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like now everybody thinks they just shot a girl mama house up. So I don't tell what they gonna do to my brother and sister. They gonna see one of them. I didn't have nothing to do with this. Like, I never was deaf on nobody. You know what I'm saying? I would never stun them, but I still ask me like, wait, what y'all got to me, man? Don't have no money now? I just pop like that, you know what I'm saying? I thought I was popping money. That's how I talk about money. But now, this man go show a girl mom house, bro. Like, it ain't gonna call for, bro. Like, I'm so worried right now because I talk on the phone, she crying, and then I don't know if she gonna put on me, but like my phone, but when I talked to her, she didn't say that. But I just told her like I didn't do it. Like I don't know what to do. Like I didn't do it. Like I'm lost. Like right now, man, I really am. Man, I'm scared. I'm lost. I always wondering. I can't think, man. Like I don't know what to do, man. I don't, man. Cause my name come making everything. I'll be the same way. But now somebody's dead, and I just know. I know how to feel to lose one. You know what I'm saying? I lost my closest friend. You know what I'm saying? And now, these niggas, they showing up at mama houses and stuff like that, bro. Like, and it ain't even dead. It's a game. It's the whole clique. You know what I'm saying? They deep. You know what I'm saying? That's the only thing that put fear in my heart, because now I gotta watch out for everywhere I go. I have to watch out, and it ain't nothing I can do about it. You know? I didn't have nothing to do with this. I didn't kill him. I didn't have him killed. I didn't never try to fight him. I didn't never try to rob him. I had never done nothing to nothing. Me and Kelly, we don't see each other plenty of times in the street. Ain't never did that to each other. It's been plenty of times. Ain't never in life, man, like never. I'm so frustrated, man. I call my brother, man. Then the advice he gave me, it ain't no good.
What advice your brother gave you that you think is no good?
I told her, I'm gonna call her, but call the police and come to the house. You know what I'm saying? I usually tell y'all, but it ain't gonna be nothing y'all can do. You know what I'm saying? Cause from what people say, retarded, Carol's supposed to be retarded, something like that. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't scared of him. You know what I'm saying? It's more to life, bro. It's like no matter what I do, everybody always blame me for stuff. So I know there's a lot of people against me. You know what I'm saying? But I'm frustrated, man. I can't. Right? I can't. I want the income. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I didn't know. People like, man, they'll lock you up. They can't lock me up. I didn't do it. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? They don't tell them. They're like, man, but they keep telling me to wait. And this, I don't want to wait. I don't want none of this shit. I'm going out now, get out of the way. Then when I do, then wait. This is what somebody tell me. When I go down there and tell y'all, and y'all go out there, who gonna stop me? That's the only thing I'm afraid of now. Who gonna stop me? I really am scared, man. Like, It might seem crazy, but
Do you know, did you hear anything on the street about who may be beefing with Nut?
I didn't know Kev been riding around shooting my place. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But he, like, man, I ever got to it, he never did that.
Mm-hmm.
He done came and shut up the Kevin house.
Mm-hmm.
But this ain't the first time he did it. This is the first time he did it. He shot everybody up. You know what I'm saying? But didn't nobody know it was him. And then he got to it with his girl. She came back and said it was him. You know what I'm saying? That's why I felt like paid for my window.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? 'Cause he shot the window.
Mm-hmm.
So he was like, "You want to pay for it?" You know what I'm saying? So, gotcha. Nut ain't had nothing to do with this. You know what I'm saying? So, it probably, what happened to Nut probably ain't got nothing to do with this.
Was Nut in the game?
And Nut was a big dog. But a big dog is like, Nut ain't a big dog. He a big dog, but he not that over the whole game. You know what I'm saying? So, Nut just care, bro. He's cool with everybody. Nut's cool with everybody. You know what I'm saying? Well, I can't say a lot of people, but Kevin was a problem. You know what I'm saying? He always have been. Like, me and Nut have talked about Kevin. That's right, man. That's 11 hair there. Like, I ain't studying, man. I don't pay no attention. I just want to plug. Like, you kind of push on Derek, and you can talk to him, and he'll tell you, and he gives you video. If you look at video of me in the plug, I don't even pay him no attention. Like, we look at him, he'll be like, don't be like this. You know what I'm saying? You see me throwing money, I'll flash money. That's throwing money, that's throwing money. That's how they keep saying. You know what I'm saying? That's how it is, man. Like, you know, I don't know, man. I don't know what to say. Don't say. What can I do? Where can I go? When I leave the other day, where can I go? Because I have a lot of sisters and brothers. My mom have 10 kids. Half of them got their own houses. You know what I'm saying?
Is it around the area?
Yes. My sister, I got a sister on Boulevard, sister down Oak City. My grandma down Oak City. My girl down Colorado. My brother down Colorado. My other brother down County. You know, I got that. But they all down. My sister, I'm afraid they might know she's down Boulevard. And my big sister, I know they know she's down Oak City.
Yeah.
Because they smart like that with who? He killed right hand man.
All right. This will conclude the interview with Mr. Kenneth Copeland. Ending time is 03:48 hours, would be 3:48 a.m. Talk to your brother real quick and that's here, okay?
Okay, what is
You know what, we'll talk to you out here, okay?
what like this what I'm not kidding like what I'm gonna do. No.
Your Honor, I'm going to pause right here and pick back up at 3:50, excuse me, at 4:05:03. On the, and we're going to pick back up at 4:05:21, Your Honor. Restarting at 4:05:05.
Picking up same interview with Mr. Kenneth Copeland. Still giving information in reference to the homicide investigation of Mr. Donovan Thomas. We have it at 330 McDaniel Street, Southwest. Atlanta Police case number is 150102106. Today's date is still January 10th, 2015. Time is approximately 4:00 a.m., which would be 0400 hours. Okay. Mr. Copeland, go ahead and tell me what you just advised me of in the office. And you can, sir, you be in detail about what was going on today and every event that happened today. Okay.
Okay, I lived in my girl's house. My brother gave me the car. So my brother gave me the car. I had to pull up in Mechanicsville. The girl, which gave me a little bandage for my mouth. And I put out that a little song in my mouth. I lived there. I went on Cleveland. I was with Lil D. Pick up Lil D. You know what I'm saying? So Lil D was like, hey boy, he said, no, you got shot. This first thing he said, like for real. And then D like, yeah, we talked. So I moved to him FaceTime me. And he was like, he told me the same. So I was like, well, I just heard the DJ told me. So he was like, yeah, he's like, you know the name they screaming? So I was like, who? I was like, shit, you know, I already know. He like, yeah, but even he got shot, so we wouldn't think it was a big deal. So like, all right. So Moonton like, he could come out. I was like, all right, come when you come out. So I got a phone with him. So I took the deep down to the whole house. I'm gonna scream my name to the girl house. I went and got this son. I put up at Georgia's house. Called, she came out the door, she got out the door. I said, hey, where does JoJo live? She stays on Metro Lodge, behind the Chevron, and it's a little apartment.
Okay, go ahead.
So, when I went to they son up to JoJo's house, I told you, they son, like, they say, Nut got shot. And she was like, for real, the one, him and her dad know each other. She was like, yeah. I said, this and I did. Like, everybody on Twitter, like, R.I.P. Nut. So I'm telling her, like, damn, man. Like, so she like, what we gonna do? I said, man, I'm gonna go out and talk to the police. She like, okay. This is me and this son talking about. But I had, me and her rolled out. She said she wanted to have me. She ordered food. She asked food. So we were going to my brother's house, because I was going to talk to my brother about what happened. I seen him take this. And then when I get to my brother's house, I'm turning left into the apartment this week.
And where do your brother live?
Come home. I'm Maury Avenue. I'm turning left from Pine Road to the inside apartment where he stayed. I see this Camaro flying high. But when I turn left, the Camaro, like, they go straight. And then I go, instead of going in front of the door, I went around to the gate. So as I go around to the gate, I had the wrong gate card. So the gate card was to the son's apartment. So as I was clicking, it went go, so I had back to go park around in the front. Because I was going to have a brother call the police. So as I made back, I see the same Camaro fly to the stop sign, but it was going so fast at the mission. And they turned left behind. Like, when they turned left, I was in front of them. So I went to the stop sign, I made the left. When I made the left, I went to the next stop sign. I went to the next stop sign. There's two more cars flying in front of me. But they made the left coming down Pine Road and to the front of me. And I was already in front, so now we faced up. I turned left again to go back in front of my brother's door behind the church. So when I turned left, I looked back in the mirror. I told his son, like, this them right now, duck your seat. So when as she let her seat that I was leaving them, they pulled to the stop sign. And they sat right there, they looked at us. And then they went straight. I got in front of my brother's door, I ran the stop sign, I went right. I went to the stop sign, I went left. I took out, went towards the precinct. I went through the little what's name and got me expressway.
Precinct where?
Like on Lakewood, FBA.
Okay.
I went that way. I got on the expressway. I got on City Road. I was going to my grandma's house because I know they don't want to know where my grandma stayed. had dropped his son off at Georgia house. And I got Georgia dropped his son off. We took the car to Greenbrier in front of the police precinct and left the car there so they wouldn't shoot nobody in the car and then like that. So we parked the car in front of the precinct and then we rolled out. That's when I had Motul come to me. Motul can't meet me then and they son got to call me. So when they got to call me, we had went right there, we went to where we go? We went right there to the McDonald's on Metropolitan, it's right there by the little DP. We went right there. And we went right there. I called my girl called me. And me and her was talking on the phone. And she was just asking me like what's going on. And I was telling her like what was going on. And she was just like, okay, all I need you to do is just don't go out there and get yourself in no trouble. And I was explaining to her like, I ain't going out there. I'm not going out there. I'm not trying to let people see me, but they going to shoot up my house and stuff like that. You know where you stay. So she was just like, it was loud where she was, so I wouldn't expect her to be at home. So she was like, okay, don't worry about this and that. And so when I got off the phone with her, I called my brother. So I'm like, bro, I sent him 10 minutes, like, bro, I think I need to go down and talk to these police or something, because I'm like, because I ain't do it. And I went nowhere around. So my brother, like, he called me. When I tell him, he called me, like, all right, and he was at the restaurant, the bar in Canada. So when I called him, like, but the son told me, so I called the son mama back. I mean, the son they shot my mama's house, she crying stuff. So back here, I called my brother, he ain't answer. I called my sister, she ain't answer. So I'm trying to call them, leave their house, but my brother called me back. So I go, they just shot mama's house. What Brittany? He like, she at the house. He like, I heard her go down and call the police. Just like told him. He like, okay. So what he did was, he heard her went to his house. When he got his house, he called me like, I'm at the house. Like, I'm getting ready. Like, call the police, bro. Call them, tell them to come to the house. You know what I'm saying? He like, you want to talk to him? I'm like, yes, I want to talk to him. All right. So as he did that, this young dad called me, and he was asking me like, what's going on? And I was telling him, I explained everything to him, and he was like, what kind of car they was driving? I was like, it was a red Camaro with a black top sign behind it. You know what I'm saying? And he was like, what else? It was a gray car. And I think it was two gray cars if I'm mistaken. So he was like, all right. Then he was like, yeah, I'm on the expressway. I said, okay. So, well, my brother called me like, is it tell you want to talk to him? I'm like, yes. He's like, well, all right, come to the house. I'm like, all right. But I was so scared. Like, I was going far out. I was just riding around. So I went first. I went like towards Hateville. I got on right there where the chick fled. I had got on right there. I rolled down. Went to the gas station, got the gas. Got the country road. I went towards Lynch. When I got towards Lynch, they son had called with you right there. So when she called with you right there, she was like, you like come down here and talk. So I was like, all right. I came from Lynch, came right here and talk. And let me see what else. They like besides all this everything, I had went down the door house and like see what's going on. Like by default they can't shot this.
63% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. We want to help. At LLCU, financial counselors are
People kill my son. Man, he know them better than that. I mean, I'm folks. I honestly, it got me lost on confused, on frustrated now, but I ain't do it. I ain't have nothing to do with it. Can't nobody say they seen me do this. Can't nobody say they seen me do that. I ain't have nothing to do with it. They come shoot at my house. They ain't got down to the bottom of the story. Don't know what's going on. First thing, come right in. First thing they did. First thing, like, my name covered everything, but some people are trying to hear out. Some people won't. You know what I'm saying? But I know what it is, care. Everybody call the phone. Be careful. It's a lot of them. They got a lot of money. Be careful. It's a lot of them. They got a lot of money. Everybody call. So I honestly don't know what to do. Like, you know the kind of car I got. They know what I say. It ain't nowhere I can go. It ain't nowhere I can hide. I can't do next.
You got the white Dodge Charger, right?
Yes.
What else you have?
That's it. So my brother come, he let me drive.
What kind of car your brother got?
That's a great medical.
That's his latest car, right?
His girl.
What car he drives?
The white Charger. Like, he just gave it to me tonight. He like, you want, I was at his house sleep, and he was like, you want a cup? I was like, yeah, bring it to me. And I'm like, damn, oh yeah, they son there went to the movies too. So, this what happened. I gave his son a cup when she went to the movie. So it was 11 o'clock. I know the time it was 11 o'clock. She like, moves over here. It was her, Bull, and Dime. It was them three in the cup. They poured the Greenbrier with Johnny Coalition.
And you caught up with her at 11, not 9 o'clock?
No, I called them by 11. Cause they had went to the movies. I gave her the cup.
Okay.
So they what it was. They about 9 o'clock, they just had behind us. And then they son and got the cup went to the movies. When she got back from the movies, I told her, like, she told her dad she going to meet her dad at Blue Flame. And I was like, why are you riding around my car? You know what kind of car I got. And she like, well, she plugged it. So I was just like, plug it anyway and get out of it and get in close to my ear. Forget the cup, you know what I'm saying? Just, you need to just come on out first. And she's like, well, so when I called her back, she answered. I kept calling. And then she finally answered. And then she was like, she on the spur just paying Cascade at it. Somebody was just in near it, she like, near it with Greenbrier. I like, get all right there, I'll come meet you right there. So she got all right there, I met her. I can't meet her right there.
You met her with who?
It was Bull and Dime. Bull named Shanice.
Who you riding with?
I ran with him. And his girl and his baby. It was them three in the car and me and them three in their car. And they got in the car, all of them got in the car.
Okay.
Cause Moontoon trying to find somewhere to take his girl and baby. I think they know what they say too. So, but he said, I called one of his name Big Timber though. He said Big Timber called and told him. But they saying me and him did. So that's what he came told me, but I got him like, bro, we need to go out here because they can scan us, they can tell we lying and telling the truth, bro. And he just like, shit, man, I'll go when they come, but you can call him now, he'll come.
I'll call. Okay. All right, bro. All right, that's it?
Yeah, that's all. If I have anything else to him, I come right back down to the club.
Okay.
I ain't got no problem with that. I do this and none of that.
It is now 04:18 hours. It be 4:18 a.m. Conclude another statement from Mr. Kenneth Copeland dealing with a homicide investigation. Mr. Donovan Thomas. Atlanta Police case number is 150102106.
For the record, we're pausing at 4:17:55, and that concludes the playing of the January 11th interview, which is State's Exhibit 378, Yankee Alpha.
Yes,
I can go to the bathroom?
yeah, we can all take a bathroom break. All right, close your. What's after this?
It is the state's intention to play the rest of the videos. However, I have not heard anything from defense counsel regarding the redactions I sent over to make sure that they were okay with the redactions from the January 28th.
Okay.
The
Well,
February
presumably they had plenty of time during the hour it took for us to get the technology up and running for Mr. Copeland to be able to hear. So are y'all ready on the defense side to provide those over to the state so that maybe we can work over the lunch hour?
And I'm sorry, I should be clear, Your Honor. I know that Mr. Steele is working on February 20th that he needs to give to me, but the other interviews are what we discussed 2 weeks ago.
Right.
And so yesterday I sent over the transcripts with the highlighted areas to confirm that those are the redactions, and so I haven't heard anything.
Well, that shouldn't take much time. I mean, is the defense pretty much ready to go on?
So, Your Honor, my understanding from communications with Attorney Hilton is her intent is to play the 2:20 interview next, correct?
So long as we get the redactions, but if I don't have them, I don't want to delay, so I would go to 128. But if we get the redactions and we can deal with it, then I can move forward.
So the 220 redactions are not something that's already been redacted. That's the ones that Mr. Steele was saying need to be discussed. Regarding the other redactions that were the transcripts that were provided yesterday, I have Mr. Mansbach and Mr. Kokomo checking behind them. We have them checking behind those redactions currently, and they're actively working on that, and we should have an answer for that soon. But there's been no transcript given to us. I don't know if there's been no discussion between the state, the defense, and the court. The 220 redactions have not been litigated yet. And I think that's the next.
Okay, I'm not really sure why that is even the case, because I thought we had covered everything y'all wanted to cover when we were going through his statements last week. But be that as it may, that's what we can work on over the lunch break. We're going to have a working lunch. But you can quickly, like in the next 10 minutes, 15 minutes, turn around the others, or no?
Well, the others are later. I don't believe that the state is planning on playing those next, but we are working on those. But
I think what Ms. Hilton was saying is, no, ideally she wouldn't, but instead of holding up the jury yet again, she would be willing to go out of turn for that. Is that right?
Correct, Your Honor.
Which one do you, in an ideal world, which one are you trying to play next?
In the ideal world, it would be 220. However, if we have to litigate that, I can switch to 128 because that's what we already discussed 2 weeks ago. We've already talked about those redactions. And so the only thing the transcript does is confirm what we've already discussed.
I understand we talked about it 2 weeks ago. We are trying to confirm the transcripts, and they were provided to us yesterday.
But the redaction times have always been there. So.
Okay.
It really shouldn't take that long.
Okay, well, we are actively working on it. I'm looking at the people that are working on it, and they're nodding in agreement. So if I could just check to where we are with that.
All right. So, Ms. Hilton, as long as there's one of those that they can be ready on in the next 10 minutes, when we get back from our break, you'd be able to proceed with that one.
Yes.
All right.
I'm being told by Mr. Mansbach that he is 10 minutes out of confirming the 128.
Fantastic. Thank you. Let's all take our convenience break as well.